Hello. Let us discuss about the Great Depression, which has occurred after completion of World War One. World War One has happened from 1914 to 1918. Later, leaving all the countries, especially the European countries and colonized countries, in devastating situation. Now, if we look at the Great Depression, it has occurred from 1929 to 1939. So, what could be the reason for this Great Depression to happen in the world? Is the countries, when they concentrated on World War, they started strengthening themselves by armaments, where there was reduction in production of commodities or necessities. Due to that, the countries were unable to get the commodities which are required by the people, so scarcity arose, due to which the prices of the commodities have gone up. So this situation paved way to Great Depression. If we look at what the countries got affected with this Great Depression, all the European countries which have taken active role in World War have undergone this Great Depression, and not only European countries, even the countries which have become the colonies of these European countries have become the have affected with this Great Depression. Now, among all the countries, the country which got mostly affected with this Great Depression is Germany. So, it could be a reason why. What could be the main chance of Germany getting affected with this Great Depression? So, related to this Germany, we have some questions like, how did Germany get affected with Great Depression? 1. Or what are the conditions prevailing in Germany during Great Depression? 2. Or which country got affected mostly with Great Depression and how? 3. And fourth question is, what were the conditions which maintained or which were prevailing in Germany, which made Hitler as the Chancellor of Germany? So these could be the questions related to our Germany. So if at all we look into the problems or situations undergone by Germany with Great Depression, is nearly 30 to 35% of the people lost their employment opportunities. 35 to 40% of the industries were completely shut down. People were unable to find employment, so they wore placards in their necks saying ready to do any jobs. Not this, even the youth who were educated and were ready to seek the job opportunities were unable to find any jobs. They have undergone some criminal activities. Women were unable to feed their children. So the conditions in Germany were very typical. So here people were unable to find any economic stability. There was no even political stability found in Germany. So these are the reasons how Germany got affected mostly with our Great Depression. Right. So related to this Great Depression, there are some economists who suggested some ideologies in order to overcome from this Great Depression. If we look for such kind of questions, question could be like a direct one, like what is New Deal policy, who has introduced it? Or it could be like, what are the policies adapted during Great Depression by the countries in order to overcome this Great Depression? Or the question also could be like, what is the ideology given by US in order to bring out the countries from this Great Depression? So question could be any, but answer is the same, right? So we have to discuss here about a policy called New Deal policy, which was introduced by F.D. Roosevelt in the year 1931. So under this New Deal policy, he has brought 3R principles. 3R principles are relief, reform and recovery. Relief to the victims from this Great Depression. Reformation of all the financial institutions and banks, and recovery is recovering of the countries from this Great Depression. So this could be one more question related to New Deal policy. Not only this, establishment of industries was advocated by J.M. Keynes. He is another economist who has advocated about how to overcome this Great Depression. He said that whenever this kind of situation happens in any country, then the government has to take the initiations of investing the funds and starting up the businesses. When the businesses are started, then people will find job opportunities. When they find job opportunities, obviously their purchasing power will get increased. When the purchasing power increases, they can buy the commodities, and by which the industries will be running into profits. So when the industries run with the profits, obviously the mechanism will go on. So this is how J.M. Keynes has advocated to all the countries to overcome this Great Depression. So let us come back to Germany, right? So in Germany, there was much effect of Great Depression. So this is the period which is being cashed by the Chancellor of Germany, that is Hitler. So he has established a political party in the year 1928, in which he has promised the people for better living conditions. So he made some promises to people. When he has established the political party in the year 1928, he won only 2.6% of majority of seats in parliament. But the next general elections in the year 1932, he has won nearly 37% of seats of parliament. So what could be the reason for Hitler to win such majority in Germany? It is all like he has made some promises. So what are the promises made by Hitler which attracted the people of Germany? The promises are, he said that Germany is for German. So in this aspect, he doesn't want to encourage any of the other country people to reside in Germany. The other one is injustice caused to Germany in Treaty of Versailles, that is the meeting organized by the victorious nations after World War I, will be definitely answered. Germany was being made the prey there in this meeting. So Germany was made to pay the war indemnity to all the victorious nations, due to which Germany has got affected much with inflation. So he said that Germany will be definitely answering all the countries for the injustice caused to them in Treaty of Versailles. And the youth, they have underwent various criminal activities, unable to find any job opportunities. So such kind of youth is being promised by Hitler that he will give a better future to people. Not only that, he has promised full employment to the people. So most of the people, due to Great Depression in Germany, lost their employment opportunities, and in return they have lost even their livelihood. So he has promised full employment to the people, where people got very much attracted by this Hitler, and they obviously voted him and made him win the elections. This is all about our Great Depression.